No dinosaur media here. You are listening to 540 AM, KYAH Delta, Utah's Talk Authority.
Talk Radio 105.9 KNRS FM, Centerville 570 AM KNRS, Salt Lake City. Your home for Rush Limbaugh. Weekdays at 10.
NBC News Radio, I'm Sharon Reed.
580 AM KIDO Napa. And now, reset your preset and hear it at 107.5 FM Boise. This is KIDO Talk Radio. Fox News. KIDO Talk Radio.
KIDO Talk Radio. Hey, Kevin Miller Mornings with the Miller Minute. Do you remember what you were doing, about a year ago this time?
Talk Radio, 590 KSUB Cedar City, a Cherry Creek radio station. Another hour of great conversation after the news. We're Talk Radio, 590 KSUB Cedar City. Stimulating conversation, pertinent information. Talk Radio 590 KSUB Cedar City. KSUB Cedar City.
For news and talk. KVNU Logan, 610 AM and 102.1 FM. News Talk 610 AM and 102.1 FM. KVNU.
Looks nice until you have to go out in it, and it's very, very cold still, but it's trying to be warmer. It's 5 above. That's about as warm as it's been this time of the day the last couple of days this week here. We're Wednesday morning on the KVNU Morning News.
News, information, and the best of today's country. KMTI, Manti, Utah.
We are 670 KBOI Boise.
A cumulus station.
It's 3 o'clock. KBOI News starts now. KBOI News starts now.
303 with KBOI News. Albina Gazina.
News on 670 KBOI is brought to you by Capet Credit Union. A fire at a cabin in Donnelly Friday night took the lives of 4 people.
1260 and 690 is KEIR Idaho Falls and KEII Blackfoot, a Riverbend communications station.
This is where the Utes live on game day and every day. KALL North Salt Lake, Utah's #1 sports talk, ESPN 700. This is an ESPN 700 Sports Center update.
It is game day for the University of Utah men's basketball team as they'll be in action tonight at 7 o'clock as they're on the road to take on the Washington State Cougars.
All the news you need whenever you want. Keep up to date 24/7 at KDWN.com or on your KDWN app. Available in the App Store on iTunes or Google Play. Laura English, Sean Hannity, Mark Levin, AM 720 KDWN Las Vegas, home of the Raiders, a Beasley Media Group station.
Tax push, candidate denial.
Esta es KSVN. This is KSVN, Ogden, Salt Lake City.
Genio Show. Genio Show.
Que pronto se nos olvida a todos los hijos lo que nuestros padres han hecho por nosotros.
Holding a yard sale? Looking for furniture? Or want to trade your car? Put it on Barter Bar, online and on air. Barter Bar, a Castle Country tradition. Weekday mornings at 9:30 on News Talk 107.3 FM and 750 AM KOAL. Serving Eastern Utah for over 80 years. 107.3 FM, 750 AM KOAL. Bryce.
If you're struggling to change a mortgage,
New
Mexico talks right here.
Must have been something before electricity, huh?
94.5 FM and AM 770 News Radio KKOB. News Radio 770 KKOB. Now on 94.5 FM and AM 770 News Radio KKOB. Albuquerque.
This portion of your news brought to you by Paisano's Italian Restaurant. I'm Mike Gabo on 94.5 FM and AM 770 News Radio KKOB.
Here at the KZM Studios in West Sedona, we had a high of 52, morning low of 35. And that's your weather forecast on 780 KZM.
This is your Northern Arizona news, talk, sports, and music news. AM 780 KAZM Sedona.
This is Truth. AM 820, KUTR, Taylorsville, Salt Lake City, and K27FG, Pleasant Grove. Experience truth. You're listening to the Truth Network and TruthNetwork.com.
KOA, Denver, KBCO HD3 Boulder. This is Colorado's news, traffic, and weather station. KOA News Radio, 850 AM and 94.1 FM.
An iHeart radio station.
KOA News Radio time is 7 o'clock. Good morning. I'm Susan Whitkin in for Stefan and April. Our top story on Colorado's morning news, no dyno rig dealerships in Douglas County. We've got the details for you in just 1 minute.
This is Talk Radio, the 860 AM, KJAT, Salt Lake City, a proud Cumulus station. 650.
Hearings for a health secretary. Former president hospitalized. I'm Evan Hainan.
We have the pulse on Talk Radio, 860 AM.
From the Camping World of Stateport Studio, it's Southern Utah's #1 source for news. News Talk 890 KDXU St. George on Cherry Creek Radio Station.
That's a look at your news, 890 AM and 94.9 FM, KDXU.
And AM 920 News Talk KVL. Vernal, Roosevelt, Duchesne, where the basin comes to talk. News starts now.
This is your home of Cougar Sports. Weekdays from 3 to 7. You're listening to KOVO Provo, Utah County's sports station, ESPN 960.
Cougar Sports listeners residing in Cougar Country. You know the saying.
Rupert, Twin Falls, Jerome, La Patrona, 970, La Quimanda, un concepto más de Lead Family Broadcasting, el grupo radiofónico líder de Idaho.
Don't miss Moose and Maggie every Saturday morning on CBS Sports Radio. You're listening to the talk of Mid-Utah, ESPN, AM 980 Richfield, GMXD 100.5 Monroe.
Sports Flash.
I'm Rich Ackerman.
Now with stations coast to coast.
Talk radio for Catholic life.
KIHU, Tooele, Salt Lake City.
Relevant Radio, 1010 AM.
An Immaculate Heart Media Station.
This is KDYL AM 1060, Salt Lake City.
环球视野，东方智慧。这里是 KDYL AM 1060，环球东方广播电台。
把您的心声告诉我们 ，tellmydj@gmail.com。我们所做的一切都是为了您的满意。
KANN, Roy, Ogden, Salt Lake City.
KANN Roy, 1120 AM, your hometown Christian station. It's 7:59. That was Lord, I Need You from Matt Marr.
To breaking news wherever you go on the mobile app for KSL. Download from your phone's app store under KSL Radio. Brought to you by Solarus Solar Energy. KSL FM Midvale. KSL Salt Lake City. KSL News Radio 102.7 FM and 1160 AM. This is Utah's news station.
Good morning, KSL News Time, 6 o'clock. Today is Wednesday, January 18th. This is Utah's Morning News. I'm Brian Martin.
And I'm Amanda Dixon. Right now, downtown, 20 degrees.
It's a problem-free start to the drive. I'm Heather Kelly.
KSL's top story this hour, the president-elect's...
This is 50,000 watt KOFI, Kalispell.
Happy New Year from all of us at KOFI. So for the best in news, talk, sports, and oldies, keep it right here on 1180 AM. And of course, the only AM station in the Valley on the FM dial at 104.3 KOFI.
The Flathead Valley comes first. Now, here's Dax Van Fossen with the latest news headlines. KOFI. Your choice for sports is Sports Radio 97.7 ESPN. KHKR, Washington, St. George.
KQ49EQ, St. George.
From the Strawberry Valley to the Ashley Valley and beyond, KMEU Roosevelt, the real country voice of northeastern Utah.
KZNS AM Salt Lake City. KZNS FM Colville. This is 97.5 1280 The Zone and The Zone Sports Network. Jake Scott and Tony Park. Weekdays from 10 to noon. Presented by Mark Miller Subaru on 97.5 1280 The Zone and The Zone Sports Network.
It's time to start another hour of continuous music on the Sound of the Rockies. KPHX Phoenix, KNIT Salt Lake City, KAZK Wilcox, and KRKY FM Douglas.
KLGN Logan, familiar light favorites at 103.3 FM and 1390 AM. You're listening to Light FM, 1390 AM and 103.3 FM. Light FM.
93.1 FM, 1450 AM, KZNU St. George, 98.5 FM, Cedar City, KAZZ Parowan, KCLS, HD4, Leeds. USA, the Great Body. Here's more WSA.
1400 K-Star is KSRR Provo.
The home of your favorites, 1400 K-Star. We remember your favorite, 1400 K-Star.
KLO Ogden, Salt Lake City. More of what you're looking for. 1430 AM. Now with even more world-class talk. KLO CBS News starts now.
This is Laura Ingram on World Class Talk, KLO 1430 AM.
With a KLO news update, I'm Gary Russell. Unified Police say they have one man in custody after a shooting at a Midvale apartment complex.
This is Bible-based, family-friendly, listener-supported Key Radio, KEYY Provo, KEYR Richfield, KEYP Price, KEYB Vernal, Key Radio, Life Unlocked, Truth Unleashed.
98.5 FM in Cedar City, 1400 AM, KAZZ Parowan.
This is Radio Krishna, 1480 in Spanish Fork, KHQN.
KOGN Positiva Radio 1490 AM, transmitiendo para todo el mundo. Somos la estación que te bendice.
Hola.
Hola, amigo.
Oye, ¿tienes planes para este fin de semana?
No sé, depende. ¿A dónde me vas a invitar?
Pues a la iglesia.
KLLB, West Jordan, serving Salt Lake City, Ogden, and Provo.
Buenos días, México. Vámonos, 8 con 1.
KGH 107.1 FM, Woodruff, KMRI 1550 AM, West Valley City.
KSOL, 1660 AM, Brigham City.